How to share your live location on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can share your live location on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat application and go ahead to your profile section. Now what you're gonna do is, in order to share your live location, simply tap on Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on My Location. Right there is the option Share My Live Location. Tap on it, or you can also see the Quick Share option. You can also select the person from there, and now you can select anyone from here that you want to share your live location and simply tap on Save. Doing so will successfully help you share your location live on Snapchat. I hope you found the video to be helpful and easy. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.